Step 5, we will again open the B.SMART app. What we're going to do this time is select driver. So as you can see, we're going to need to pop in the driver login details. It will ask for the authentication code, which we set as 12345678, and also the site code, and we confirm that. This you'll only have to do on your first setup. It can take some time because again it is connecting with the B.SMART and it is actually updating anything that you have changed on the portal. Okay, so what we're going to do is start refueling. So we're going to select new refueling. The phone will then search for the dispenser. We click on the dispenser. Again, you can see it's now connecting, updating any changes made. Light is on. The Bluetooth light with a blue solid light is on, and it will now connect. Once this has connected, it says the registration number. It's going to ask me to enter the registration number. As you can see, we have the video demo, which is the pump, and red diesel, which is the site name, sorry, and the pump name. So we're going to set A, B, C, 1, 2, 3 as our registration. Enter odometer readings. This is a brand new vehicle. We've done 2,000 miles in this, and we can set kilometers, miles, or hours. For the demo purpose, we'll just use miles. Confirm that. We can either do a full dispense, or we can preset the amount of liters that we want to fuel up with. For demo 1 purpose, we're going to preset to 15 liters. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to lift up the nozzle, we're going to squeeze the trigger, and as you can see on the mobile device and on the B.SMART dispenser, you can see that it is fueling up. Once it has reached 15 liters, it will automatically shut off. There we go. And now, as you can see on my mobile phone, there is an e-ticket. It will slowly generate this. There we go. And as you can see, that e-ticket shows exactly the date, time, the amount dispensed, the vehicle registration, the odometer readings, the driver, which is myself, and the location. This will automatically be sent to the B.SMART cloud database. All we need to do now is press driver home, and your dispense is now finished.